that without them also wouldn't have been here. And besides that also, I will not forget the organizers who have also put their more efforts to ensure that they have to put us also in a happy mood that this family is a good family here. Above all, I would like to thank Almighty God who has kept us all safe. With all these eventualities and the evil of coronavirus, we are all able to survive. And I think we give thanks to Almighty God for having kept us all safe. We have all escaped from all our own motherland, but we are able to live here under God's mercy that we are able to stay up to date. I know for the sake of time, I may not salute each and everyone because of time, and there are people who might not know them physically, but I know that we have the community leaders and we have the social leaders here. I will still recognize you for that. Now, I will have my own special message just on behalf of my own colleagues whom we studied with them from the same university, St. Lawrence University. And in a special way, I think the message will come to them directly. That, of course, we know back home that our systems are all fragile. We have the structures that are all fragile. The manpower is also fragile. We have a community that needs healing from all the wounds of injustice and marginalization. And by that seal of the gown and the cup, you all have confirmed to us that you possess gravitational potentialities to engineering that pragmatic values, and it's your responsibility to do that. And I honor you for that success that you have achieved. May God bless you. Second, I would like to give it as part of testimony. These are my colleagues. You know, in the university there, we have many categories of students. There are those, we have the sons and the daughters of the kings and queens who sleep somewhere, and they can take, sometimes they appear in class once a month or once a week, something of sort. And sometimes we call them the bossy students. So they don't engage much in academics completely. This is because the father is there to provide them everything, but they are not being monitored on what they are doing. And then we have that category of Bachosi's category, whose father tries every time to go and sell out one bull in order to invest in him. I think I want to testify that the category of the sons and the daughters of the kings and queens would always buy marks. But to my own best ability and testimony, I would have to say the four of them I'm seeing, they have never paid a cash to go and get that marks. And this is a clear testimony I have to give. Every evening it comes at 6, I see them, especially my brother Dabol Malwalu sits near, and Talimat. And Bith, of course, is here. But if he misses class, it might be because maybe there's no transport because it is distance. And again, maybe he's sick. Other than that reasons, I've never been seeing him maybe missing classes, and he's so hardworking. And we have been studying together with some certain course units. I have to testify honestly, they have never bought marks. Whatever has been conferred on them by the chancellor through the formation of the congregation and the dissolution of the congregation, it is truly that they deserve what they just achieved. And I think you are here to testify to them, because I am here to give only the words in testimony, but you are there to prove in actions, as most of the speakers have put here in front. In fact, I'd wish to have talked first, because most of the elders here spoke some inspirational stories. But I understand because I'm new, I can't be all that much confident if I'm the first to start maybe talking to you. And I think they did good to go and open some inspirational speeches to all of us that will benefit each and every one of us. Truly, I want to confirm the last, as part of my remarks or conclusion, that our brother, or my brother here, Bill, has engaged himself in student politics, and I think sometimes back he has been the chairman of the community of Rueng. And I think this shows that he has already started creating the network. I don't see any failure in him completely. It is only a child who is a failure, is that one who keeps aside and hides behind the black curtains and doesn't come out in public to demonstrate potentialities or the abilities he has. But through his demonstration, I think he did well. And the other statement I want to confirm is that my own background, where I come from as Nuba, shows the Lord that he's connected and he's a good person. Without this connection, I wouldn't be here completely. I'm so much humbled that he has created that kind of good faith and spirit on behalf of the family, that I feel that tomorrow, even if I get an opportunity, I should be in position to say, I recommend you. So by now gathering here, he has already started working towards his future. We don't see the reason as why we say he should start alone. We are there to start together, and it is a collective responsibility. We are here, or as your own brother, I'm here only to give a recommendation, while our elders are there to give blessing, because the wisdom resides within the elders. And my role is only to give only a kind of an appreciation or a recommendation that you are a good person. I think I will have no much to say because of time. May God bless each and every one of us. But finally, I will confirm with my own names that I'm called Jackie Joseph Aloga. I come from Nuba Mountains, an area that is still under liberation of the SPLM, which was by then one, but now we call it SPLM North. And I think through this, we have all gone through marginalization, but we still have much to achieve. We put hope and trust through God. And finally, I think I've seen our man here who was giving some metal kind of metal status. And I think it demonstrated a lot of things to do with unity. I have not had much, but the little I picked, let's build on the story she has given, and let it be a testimony to each and every one of us, so that we can live together as one community. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.